Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Guys, today I'll be making a 3/4 legging like this one, like this long of legging. So I already made a pre-cut of this fabric. This is from an old shirt and I already cut this one earlier, so I measure it this way and I cut it. So remember guys, when you make a legging, choose those fabric that is elastic and stretchy, like this one. It's stretchy. So this is from an old shirt. And by the way guys, the shoulder of this shirt, this one is a shirt and this is the shoulder of it. I will be making this one into something and I will not throw this one away. So I'll be making this one into something on my next video. But for now, leave it there first and I'll be making first this 3/4 leggings. So let's begin. We look like this and I'll be connecting this part here. I'll be sewing it here. Okay. Guys, this is the butt part, the butt here. Okay, so I'll be connecting this one. I'll be sewing it here using this needle. This is just very easy to do, and you can also make this one, but just choose those elastic and stretchy fabric. The colorful the fabric, the better. But this one is a black color, but because I don't have any fabric right now, so this is only the available fabric down here. So guys, this is how it looks like that I already connected. Okay, this is look. So this is the butt part, and now I'm gonna connect also the other one, the other side, this one, this two. So guys, it's already done. So this is it now. It's already connected both sides of it. And now I'm gonna connect also the side here. You know, this one here. So it's already connected, both this side and the other one here. So now I'm gonna sew it from this one, the crotch here. Okay, when you're sewing a legging, you have to secure this crotch here, this one here. So I'm done sewing the crotch and the leg part. So this is it. Now I'm gonna sew this waistline here, the waistline. Already done. Now I'll be putting this garter. Guys, it's already done. I already have a 3/4 legging. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. Please do like, subscribe.